Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Up English. Today, we're going to a café, one of the best places to practice real English conversations.
Yay! I love coffee shops. They're so cozy.
Exactly. And today, we'll learn how to order your drink, chat politely, and sound natural, just like a native speaker.
Awesome. Let's get started.
Okay, John, imagine I'm the barista. You've just walked into the cafe. Ready?
Ready?
I'll start. Good morning. What would you like today?
Hi, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Perfect. That's polite and natural. When ordering, you can also say, "Can I have a cup of coffee, please?" Or, "Could I get a latte, please?" That's even more natural in daily life.
Oh, so I'd like, can I have, and could I get all mean the same?
Yes, they're all polite ways to ask for something. Could I get is a bit more casual and very common among native speakers.
Got it. So I can say, could I get an iced coffee, please?
Exactly. And don't forget to smile. That always helps. Now, imagine the barista asks, "Would you like anything else?" How do you answer?
No, that's all, thank you.
Perfect. Other natural ways to answer, "No, I'm good. Thanks." Casual. "That'll be all for now. Thanks." A bit formal.
Oh, that's cool. So I'm good, thanks. Doesn't mean you're good as a person. It just means you don't want more?
Yes, exactly. English can be funny like that. Now, when you pay, you can say, "Here you go," or "Here's my card." These are polite ways to hand money or a card.
John, and what should the barista say back?
Usually, they'll say, "Thank you," or "Thanks. Have a great day." And you can answer, "You too," or "Thanks, you as well."
Easy. I remember that.
Great. Let's put it together. Mini dialogue. Good morning. What would you like today?
Hi. Could I get an iced latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. That'll be $5.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Excellent, John. You sounded really natural. Let's look at a few key phrases.
Sure.
I could get polite, natural, and used everywhere. You can say, "Could I get a sandwich?" or "Could I get a glass of water?" 2, anything else? Used when someone wants to check if you want more. You can reply, "No, that's all, thanks." 3, "Here you go." Friendly way to hand something to someone. 4, "You too." Quick, cheerful way to return a good wish.
Wow. These are short, but super useful.
Yes, English conversations are often simple. It's all about tone and confidence. Before we finish, here are some other phrases you might hear in a cafe. For here or to go. Can I have it with milk? Do you take cards? It smells amazing in here.
Oh, I've heard for here or to go in movies.
Exactly. It's super common. Try using it next time you buy coffee. Okay, time to practice. I'll be the customer and you'll be the barista.
Oh, okay. I'll try.
Hi, could I get a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be $4.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Perfect. You did great, John.
Thanks, teacher. I think I'm ready for a real cafe now.
That's the spirit. Now it's your turn, everyone. Practice this conversation and tell us your favorite drink in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe for more real-life conversations.
Let's speak up English.